Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility, age, residency, and any prior suspensions. Next, gather required documents: government ID, proof of address, social security or tax ID, and any name change papers. Then, make an appointment in the Grand mobile app and pay the $25 application fee to lock your slot. Once scheduled, download the pretest guide, study the specific local rules and road signs. This front-loading reduces rejections and saves time at the office when you arrive. You now move into training and assessment. First, take the knowledge test. Use the app's practice bank of 50 questions so you know common traps. Once you pass, book your driving module, 6 hours of in-car instruction plus 2 hours on the simulator to master maneuvers. Make sure you pass the vision screening. Bring glasses or contacts if needed. After training, request the on-road exam slot. Prioritize daylight hours to reduce stress and improve visibility for first attempts. You're at the final exam. Drive confidently. Follow instructions, show safe spacing, complete a parallel park, and execute lane changes smoothly. After passing, pay the issuance fee and get your photo taken. You'll receive a temporary permit immediately while the physical card is mailed. If you fail, read the examiner's notes carefully to identify 1 or 2 fixable errors. Then rebook as soon as allowed, often within 30 days, and practice those exact maneuvers before your next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.